Hello, happy 6th of the year. I'm sitting in front of our closet, which is not that much bigger than this, what I'm showing with my hands, because we have an old house. And why am I sitting in front of my closet? What does it mean? It means that the bed bugs are gone. And it means that we got to move our clothes back into the closet from the back porch where they've been living since November. So that's so exciting, I can't even tell you. I keep walking out to the back porch to get shoes and then realize, no, like a civilized person, they are in my inside closet. So that's super exciting. That's one of the exciting things about December 6th. What else is exciting about December 6th? You might ask. You might. Well, as we're planning out our schedules and our calendars and our to-do lists, by popular demand, not really demand, by somewhat of a popular request, I've been asked to share how I keep track of my schedule and my to-do list, because I don't do it on my phone. Never. I've tried, kind of, half-assed tried, and just didn't work for me. It works for me better if I write it down. And so for the whole family, including Mr. Rosenberg's business trips and all of Bob's baseball stuff and my own things and my mom's appointments and that stuff, that all happens here on this small little calendar. It's big. It lives on our fridge, and I love it because I can see the whole month at one time, which is very important to me. And also it has lines on the days, so I can, oh, it's so good, lines on the days. So I can fit a bunch of stuff in there. Very important with my calendar, with this one, has to be written on in pencil. Preferably mechanical pencil. You're getting a peek inside the crazy. So what about when I'm carrying my bag, I'm out in the world? This doesn't really fit so handily. It would fit into a couple of my bags, but shouldn't. What do I bring? I bring this. It's very small, but it also has 1 month at a time. There's a baseball card of Paul Assenmacher, a Cubs player. Made its way in and keeps my place. So this is also, now you can kind of see it, the month at a glance. Month at a glance. It doesn't have the tiny little lines, so that's sort of that's a bummer, but I have very small handwriting. Again, really need the mechanical pencil. I mean, if you don't know why, I can't help you. Now, the thing that's really the brains of the operation is this. This is a little notebook that I got for free at a conference, and then every year that I've gone to that conference since then, I've gotten one, and then I ask all my friends for theirs, because I'm afraid someday they'll run out, and they will. But this is where it all happens. And I'm going to show you how I break it down, because I have been asked to show you how I break it down. Okay, so up here, I draw a line. And up here, I do the days of the week. And there, because I'm the person that decides what we eat during the day. Are you still there? Hello? Anyway, what we eat during the week. I write down, I do meal planning. Often the meal planning looks like this. Monday, I don't know. Tuesday, it's Taco Tuesday. Wednesday, I still don't know. Thursday, Tostada Thursday. Friday, no one's home. Saturday, it's a free-for-all. Sunday, oh my God, we're out of everything. Okay, so that's kind of how it looks. But I really do try and fill those in. And then on this side, I flip it over, and then I put my grocery lists by store, because I usually go to a couple of stores to get the stuff that we need. So by store, and then, all right, I'm going to share this with you, but what I do is I picture the store, like I picture the inside of Trader Joe's from the entrance, right to left, up and down the aisles, where everything is, and I write the things that I need, the items, in the order that they appear on the shelves as we go up and down the aisles. And I do that for all the different stores. I do. And then over here, very long to-do list. And then I put another little sign, another little line here. And these are all the places I have to go outside of the house. Excuse me, getting over a little cold. And these are all my to-dos. Pardon me. So some people have bullet journals. That's kind of what this is. I just draw a line through it. But like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I draw lines through the meals. But I don't scribble them out, because then when I get to my meal planner and I can't remember any food we have ever eaten ever, excuse me, I go back to other weeks and see what we have eaten to remind me that yes, we have had food. I have made actual dinners here before. I'm gonna have to wrap this up, because clearly I have some coughing to do. But anyway, that's how I schedule my week, my month, my year. And, pardon me. And this might seem more complicated than just putting it in my phone. But it's not, for me. If you have a hard time with the thumbs, this might be the way you want to go. All right, that's it. I'm done coughing. All right. I love you all. I love you all. And one of the things on my list, my to-do list for today, make a video. I'm going to put a line through it.